So hello guys, good morning. We are on our way to SM and to church also. So for now, nasa car pa kami and we're going there na. So ay nagkukulit muna kami ni Shonshon. And then we're here at the SM na. Dahil dyan, magla-lunch muna kami. So ayun na, naka-line up na kami for ordering our food. So, bale, dito pala kami sa food court ngayon. Dito pala kami nag-order sa may inihaw. And fast forward, after our eating, sukat muna ako ng dress. And after that, may nadaanan kami dito, mascot. And, so, bale, yung dress na yun, hindi pala namin nabili, babalikan pala namin. Bumili muna kami ng drink sa chat time and kay mama sa Krispy Kreme. And also the donut. So, nag-stock muna kami dahil anong oras na to, nagugutom na kami. So, and si Shonshon is drinking na. And that's me, drinking chat time. And si Papa, busy mag-register sa pagkuha ng free donut. So, ayun nga, may nakuha nga kaming free donut dito. Bili kami ng kasaba sa Don Benito's. And then after that, nagpunta na kami ng church. And then, after that, pumunta kami na rentahan para mag-rent. And ayan na, nag-grocery na kami. Yun lang guys. Na yung last namin. And then we're going home. For watching guys, I hope you like my video. Bye-bye. See you next time. Please like and share my videos. Yun lang. Bye!
Bye-bye.